Hello people, it's Yazan here. Welcome back to Decremis, the place where we will show you some hidden gems in the crypto world. So following this idea, I have brought you a new ICO project named as Diamond Hodl. So let's get started. So a fresh RFI like cryptocurrency where the longer you hold, the more you are rewarded. So Diamond Hold has a unique reward system for holders. Diamond Hold is truly meant for diamond hands. Are you guys ready for something brand new? Your wallet has a rank which upgrades the longer you hold their tokens. Each upgrade reduces the tax you receive and gives you access to more lucrative rewards. So the first interface, it shows a big diamond here. Uh, it says community first. This project is for everyone. Come join their social and talk to them. They are a new group of talented and curious developers that want to grow this project. Come help grow this with them. Innovative devs. They are tired of investing in projects that are exact clones with a number or two tweaked only to be rugged. So they decided to come up with a new and refreshing token mechanics. So their unique reflection rewards. Your wallet will advance through tiers the longer it holds, which enables you to draw on more exclusive rewards. Everyone's wallet starts at tier 1, where as long as you hold on a single token, you are eligible to advance up the ranks. In addition to receiving more rewards, you also receive less tax on your transaction. To find out more about this work and read their white paper below. Let's see. So in tier 1 is available to every wallet that has at least one token. It receives 15% tax on transaction and receive 1x the rewards. In tier 2, after 3 days, the tier 1 wallet mature into tier 2 wallet. This wallet receives 13% tax on transaction and receive 3x the rewards. Nice. In tier 3, after 7 days, your wallet will advance to tier 3. It will receive 10% tax on transaction and 6x rewards. On tier 4, finally, after 30 days, your wallet fully mature into a tier 4 wallet. It receives 6% tax on transaction and 10x rewards. So about the project, they wanted to make a token of value rather than copying existing RFI like tokens. Therefore, they created Diamond Hold, a token that employs a fun and interesting mechanism. Wallet tiers. The tier ranking of your wallet upgrades the longer you hold the token. This will determine both the fee you pay and the rewards you receive. Every transaction has a fee which is made up of two parts: liquidity tax and reflection tax. A 5% fixed amount which is immediately distributed into the liquidity pool, that is liquidity tax, and a varying amount based on the tier of your wallet, that is reflection tax. A reflection tax amount decreases with each tier. The way they reward longer the holders by letting them sell off the higher percentage of their own value. In addition to this, the reward multiplier for your reflection reward will increase with your wallet tier. Each wallet accrues the full reflection amount based on the percentage of overall holdings. However, only once your wallet tier with you would be allowed to see, use and trade these rewards. You will get to watch your wallet spike up in the value each time it ranks up, with the biggest jumps happening at tier 4, making the final stretch exciting to see how much you've earned. So let's have a look at the token allocation, in which 600 trillion are in circulating, 400 trillion are burnt, 9.3 billion are phantom tokens, 4.6 million USD market cap has been raised, and more than 2000 holders. So that makes the 32% goes to the public, 40% to burnt, 1 quadrillion total supply. And for marketing, they have 6 month lock and 19% of that. For team, they have 1 year lock and 9% for that. That's pretty much for the website. Let's have a look at the chart. As you can see, it started on 17th May, which was yesterday. It had a dip period. People invested here. The price goes up, and then again it was an all-time high here. After that, it have a dip period and again a dip period. So it's in dip period, so it gives you a big good opportunity for investing in this project, because If you invest here, the price would go up and you can earn a lot from it. And then if you have hold it, so you have less transaction fees and you can sell the coins for yourself, so you will earn a lot. So as for if you want to buy this coin, just go to PancakeSwap. This interface would show up. I understand, continue. Just connect a wallet, MetaMask Trust wallet, any wallet you have. Enter the amounts, select the major cryptocurrency you have, like in your wallet: BNB, ADA, ETC, BTC, ETH, BTC, etc. Enter the amounts and swap it for yourself. It's so easy. So as you can see on BSC scan, a product of Etherscan shows that 2700 transfer have been made on 1640 addresses. People are taking a lot of interest. Tokens are changing hand, so 3 or 4 or 18 hour ago, and they are holding onto their coins because it have a high reward system. So as for this 33%, these are locked for liquidity, and this 28% too. As for this these addresses, people don't have that much coins, so there aren't very whales in the community. So that was up for the analytics. Let's have a look at their social media. As you people would know, that social media shows that how active a project is, and are they transparent, or what events or AMAs are they organizing in future. As for their Twitter is named as Diamond Hold. They have 74 tweets, more than 6,000 followers. Their last post they retweeted 3 hours ago and 3 hours ago, so their own post was on 15 hours ago. They say we are on Coin Hunt. Yeah, I found it from there. Yeah, they are very updated on their Twitter, and they should. They also have a Reddit group where 191 members are available. If you want to know more about this project, you can just post on here, and people would comment below and answer your question and clear your doubts. As for Medium, you can check out their blogs to clear your technical issues, or if you want to know about this project or do some research, so you can read out their Medium. They also have Instagram where they got 103 followers. They are very updated there too. They posted about Coin Hunt. As for Telegram, they almost got 2000 members there. There are 500 are online. If you want to get in touch with their admins, you can just write Diamond Hold, and you will join the Telegram of theirs. So that was up for the social media. If you are interested in this project, I will leave the website link of it in the description box, where you can check it out for yourself, do some research. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremist, where I would show you some more hidden gems from the crypto arena. So if you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.